Hey, this is Dr. Mark Richard, orthopedic surgeon at Duke University, and I hope that everyone is safe and healthy. Today on Diamond Doc, we're going to talk about injuries in young players. Overuse injuries are most common in youth baseball players. Research shows that youth baseball players, those 18 years and younger, are likely to play with arm pain. 3/4 of players report doing so, and 1/4 have a history that is consistent with an overuse injury. 5% of youth pitchers will have a serious elbow or shoulder injury during their youth career. That is 1 in 20. So how do we do better? Well, we know the risk factors for these injuries, and the PitchSmart guidelines outline these risks and provide recommendations to minimize the risk of injury. Many studies have looked at the compliance with these recommendations. In one study, 43% of players reported pitching on consecutive days, 31% reported playing on multiple teams during the same season, and 19% reported pitching multiple games in the same day. These are all known risk factors for arm injury. In this age group, overuse injuries are most common in pitchers, and the majority occur in the shoulder and elbow. When these injuries are severe enough to require surgery, they are associated with significant downtime away from baseball. Knowing the risk factors and maintaining a good arm care program can help mitigate these injuries. Non-overuse injuries occur in baseball too. Hamstring injuries are one of the most common acute injuries reported in baseball. A study of professional players in the 2011 season demonstrated 268 hamstring injuries that averaged 24 days of missed time each. Overwhelmingly, these injuries tend to occur in the preseason and early season, which strongly suggests that off-season conditioning can play an important role in injury prevention. Furthermore, many studies have demonstrated that eccentric hamstring exercises are effective in reducing injuries. This has been demonstrated in both professional soccer players and professional baseball players. Incorporation of these exercises into off-season strengthening and conditioning programs should be considered. Injuries are an unfortunate part of athletics, but knowing the common injuries, recognizing their risk factors, and working proactively to prevent them can help keep you healthy and on the field. Do you have other questions or comments about injuries in youth baseball players? Please respond in the comments and ask your questions using the hashtag USABmailbag.